Hi to all, my name is SC Dark. In today's video we have this Parkside pressure washer. So this is PHDS 110C3 silent. Okay, the box is sealed. Let's open it up and see what we have inside the box. So to open up, you just need a little knife. Cut here, and here, and we are good to go. So in the box we have this is bottle for detergent. Okay, we're gonna put it here. What else? User's manual. So always read your user's manual to know your product. We're gonna do that. What else we have here? We have here hose, high pressure. It's 8 meters. Okay, what else do we have? We have some handle, I don't know. Here, I need to open it up and see what we have here. So here's our gun. Okay. Here's for the gun. So you have bigger gun. And here is our cable, and here is our star. So it's very light, you can carry it. Okay, here we have some nozzle, and here we have on-off switch. Here is for the releasing the hose. Okay, and on the other side here we have nozzle. See a little water, or maybe oil, I don't know, it seems like oil. Here is I don't know, some safety. We're gonna check what this is. Here is another nozzle. So this is one type of nozzle, and here is the other type of nozzle. Okay, so we have everything. We have here water, we have here electricity. Plug and play. The toys are there. We're gonna bring them here and let's wash them. And before we wash them, let's check what we have here. We have three, I don't know, like legs. I will check, I don't know. So these are stands. You see it goes like this, so you can put everything in like this. And here are stands for the hose. And here's one stand for this. Maybe you can put a cable like here, and you can then take everything. But there's no place for the gun. Or maybe you can put it on this side. I don't know, I don't think so. No, it doesn't have stand. Or maybe if we remove this, put it like that. Yeah, but you still need for this too. I don't know, it's just handy like this. So before you turn on the machine, put water in and make sure that you press and hold little gun so the water will go out like this, so the system doesn't run without water. Okay, let's see how this works. Oh, very nice. So this is hose. The nozzle looks like this. I don't know if you can see. Hope you can see. Goes like that. And now we're gonna check with the other nozzle. So the other nozzles look like this. And let's see how this works. And this is just spraying. Okay, we're gonna check that. And now let's check this, how this works. So to take off the nozzle, just press here and then you push it out. But you need 2 hands for that. Now let's see how this works. Let's see, just spraying. Okay, I'm gonna put here soap. I'm gonna take that toy, bring it here, and let's try that. So you simply turn this around, unscrew, put here soap, and then you're good to go. So here's my car. As you can see, it is very dirty, but I'm not gonna use some brushes. I'm gonna just use this pressure machine and nothing else. So first we're gonna do is we're gonna wet it, and then we're gonna soap it, and then we're gonna wash it. So first we're gonna wet it. Okay, so I'm gonna use half of bottle of soap. That's around 200 milliliters, and just simply put this on. Oh, okay, we have it, so let's go. And now it's time for washing it. It's empty. Or it's not. We have a little more. So half a bottle is enough. Maybe you can go with even less. Okay, now let's wash it. And if you turn this nozzle, you can spray it more like a dot or more like a line. I will show you the dot now. So here's the dot, and if you turn it like this, then you have like a line. And now I'm gonna use maybe half. This is maybe too much, maybe less. Like this. So that's it. Like you saw, it works very good. So we didn't use any brush or mop, just the pressure machine and pressure washer. As you can see, the car is nice and it's clean. So that's point of using this machine. So I hope you like it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to support me. ZS3 Dark out. Bye.